a hot new product in the market. A creative inventor has put space-age technology to practical use and designed the Microfurnace, a revolutionary development in home heating. You can feel the difference. The temperature of the airflow directly in front of the unit exceeds 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet the Microfurnace is smaller than a 6-inch cube and runs on household electrical current. Here's how it works. At the heart of a Microfurnace is a technological breakthrough, a high-tech heating disc made of a ceramic material whose basic composition is barium titanate coated with brass and silver. This disc is a semiconductor which heats up as a current passes through it. It provides instant heat the moment it's turned on. As the air in the room warms, the disc, being a semiconductor, requires less electricity to stay at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. In other words, as room temperature increases, power consumption decreases. It's much safer and more efficient than the traditional heating coil. The disc is honeycombed so that air passing through it contacts a large surface area in a small space. It heats 100% of its air intake. You could say it feeds on cold air. A long-life, powerful 5-bladed fan draws air through the heating disc. Then the air passes through the front grill, which deflects it downward, compensating for the fact that hot air rises. This provides superior heat distribution. The Microfurnace is safe. It can run all day and night, but the cabinet always remains cool to the touch. It was designed for unattended continuous operation. The ceramic disc is never hotter than 380 degrees Fahrenheit. This is below the flash point of most household materials. A piece of Kleenex or a match placed on a Microfurnace heating disc will not ignite. The discs have been tested for 50,000 on-off cycles with no apparent wear. Microfurnace runs on solid-state circuitry and has easy-to-operate controls, including a variable speed fan dial to control airflow. The air filter can be removed easily for cleaning or replacement. The removable backplate allows easy access, and a universal vacuum hose attachment clears dust from the disc and from hard-to-reach areas. The baked enamel finish in a classic brown tone creates an attractive and resilient cabinet. Microfurnace is ideal for many heating needs. It provides selective heat, warming the room it's placed in. Other rooms can be maintained at lower temperatures to save money. Microfurnace is safe, efficient, portable, UL approved, and is so well made, it has a 5-year limited warranty. When you sell Microfurnace, you're selling a unique, high-quality product. There is not another like it on the market. When you sell Microfurnace, you're selling comfort, and you're creating satisfied customers. Warm, satisfied customers. It is anticipated that market demand will exceed 1.5 million units in the U.S. in the next 2 years. That translates to millions of dollars in sales income. Without a doubt, we'll heat up the marketplace with the revolutionary Microfurnace. You can't help but sell this product. The Microfurnace almost sells itself. Microfurnace, space-age technology put to practical use. A revolutionary product in home heating. You can feel the difference. The temperature of the airflow directly in front of the unit exceeds 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet the Microfurnace is smaller than a 6-inch cube and runs on household electrical current. At the heart of a microfurnace is a technological breakthrough, a high-tech heating disc made of a ceramic material. This disc heats up as electricity passes through it. A fan draws air through the disc's honeycomb vents, which heats 100% of this air. As room temperature increases, electricity consumption decreases, saving on heating costs. It's much safer and more efficient than the traditional heating coil. A powerful fan propels the air into the room. The grill on the front directs the air downward, compensating for the fact that hot air rises. This provides superior heat distribution. And it's a selective heater, warming only the room you need, saving on your heating bills. Microfurnace is safe. The cabinet always stays cool to the touch. A piece of Kleenex or a match placed on the heating disc will not ignite. Microfurnace is designed for unattended, continuous operation. The microfurnace runs on solid-state circuitry and has easy-to-operate controls, including a variable speed fan dial. The air filter is easy to clean or replace, and the removable backplate allows quick access. A universal vacuum hose attachment clears dust from hard-to-reach areas. The cabinet's baked enamel finish is sturdy and attractive. Microfurnace provides instant heat the moment it's turned on. It's safe, efficient, portable, and UL approved, and has a 5-year limited warranty. There is only one microfurnace. Powerful and economical. Warmth where and when you need it. Microfurnace.